Here it is, drinking from the river.
I'm not gonna touch you, okay? Try to swim. Try to swim, man. Come here.
In this video I'm gonna be exploring the nature and teaching you some Arabic words. This way is the best for you to enjoy learning.
Okay, I'm in the river, as you can see. It's cloudy today. So cloudy. It's the 2nd of September. So no one is here in summer. All the tourists have gone. If we keep walking that way, we are gonna face the sea. That's a bridge. We call the bridge in Arabic by Jisr. Jisr. And when we pass that bridge, you can see the river is continuing all the way to the sea. Okay? The verb pass, we are passing. The verb pass in Arabic is تجاوز. نعبر. We can say نعبر or نتجاوز. It's the verb to pass, okay? Some birds here. I don't know if you can see them, but there are some birds, some ducks. Birds in Arabic. Oh, look at that. Birds in Arabic are طيور. طيور. So I decided to go back. That's the bridge. الجسر in Arabic. I am going back. أنا عائد. Going back is العودة, which is coming back or going back. It's the same for Arabic language. Okay, I'm going back and I'm gonna explore this river right here, even if it's cloudy. Okay, sadly, people at night come to drink here in this beautiful, it was beautiful before them, okay? So they come to drink here. You can see the beer, Henken, wine. That's a bad thing. The wine in Arabic is al-khamr. The barrel is qarura or zujaja.
Look at this. Look at this. I don't know if you see him, but it's a little puppy. It's a dog, a little dog in Arabic, jaru. You can see him drinking. I don't know if I can catch him. I'm gonna try to, okay?
2,000 years later.
I don't know. I think he's coming. Oh my God, he's coming, man. He's coming.
Oh my god, here he comes. I'm gonna name him Little Dog, okay? Even if he is a little dog. Come here, man. Come here. I'm not gonna touch you, okay? Try to swim. Try to swim, man. Come here. Come here. He's so sweet. That dog is so sweet. He's trying to get in the water. الماء. He's trying to enter. هو يحاول الدخول إلى الماء.
The dog in Arabic is kelb. And the little dog, the son of the dog, is jaru, okay? He's trying to not get wet, even if he's trying to come to me and play. I love animals, I love dogs, look at that. But I wish someone finds him and takes him. I don't know. Don't touch me, man. Don't touch me. It's not like I don't want to touch him, but he looks sick, man. He looks sick. Oh my God. Come here. تعال إلى هنا. In Arabic. تعال. تعال is come. I don't know if you remember the video of the leaf, which was ورقة الشجر. ورقة. I believe you can say it. ورقة. It's so easy. I even made a video, a short of that. And I hate that thing of the tourists. When they come, they leave their trash in the river and everywhere. Not only the river. You can see the cloudy afternoon here and the dirty river because of them. Okay, I left the water and I'm going to walk. That's a private place, okay? I'm gonna take that way to continue exploring. Back again. You have to remember. Man, you have to remember this. This is a rock, Sakhra. And that's a car, okay? That's the first time I face a car in YouTube, okay? A car in Arabic is سيارة. سيارة. As you can see here, the water is clean, okay? The water in Arabic is ماء. الماء.
Here, you barely see the water. There's no water. Only trees.
You know this one. I made a video about that. شجرة. It's so easy. Arabic is so easy. Especially when you learn it with me. With this natural way.
That's a broken tree. شجرة مكسورة. Sadly, للأسف. Some people here make barbecues near to the river, which is why it's dirty. That's a bad and a sad thing. Do not make barbecues in the forest or in the river. I know there is water, but we are sick of it. And can you just stop? Okay? That's not responsible at all.
That's the spot that I know. That's the tree. That's a tree. That's another tree. That's the mountain, which is Jabal. The trees, shajaras, you know, the river is Nahr. Okay, the river is Nahr. Remember that. Look at that. We are going to sit right there. Okay.
Just look at the clean water here. Look at this. It's so nice, man. Look at this. Look at that view, man. The view in Arabic is mandar. Look at that mandar. Mandarun jamil. A beautiful view. Look at that. I'm gonna let you enjoy this. Just take a deep breath and enjoy it.
It's not so cloudy now. There's a monkey here. Two monkeys. A monkey is qird. And there is a pigeon, which is hamama. The monkeys are playing.
Here are some cows here. They are going to eat the grass and to drink from the water. They know the way better than me, unfortunately. Anyway,
Here it is, drinking from the river. You can see him.
The cow in Arabic is بقرة. بقرة. And the cows, which is the plural form, is أبقار.
See, drinking. There is some sun here.
I tried here to follow them because I don't know the way, to be honest.
I think they know the way. Let's follow them.
After following them, I met accidentally with my friend at the beach and we went on a ride with his boat. The boat in Arabic is qarib and those caves are kuhuf. They were magnificent. If you could learn at least one word from this video, then it's already a win for you. If you like it, just let me know so that I can make some new videos for you. Thank you so much.